Hi, my name is Alyssa and I work in Ignite Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to start a project with our embroidery kit. Inside the embroidery kit you'll find a book with instructions on how to do a few basic stitches and some projects. You'll find different sized embroidery hoops. You'll find some fabric, embroidery thread, and a little box with embroidery needles, some small scissors, a thimble, a couple of needle threaders, and a chalk pen to outline what you want to stitch. So to get started, I'm going to show you how to get fabric onto your embroidery hoop. The first thing you're going to do is unscrew the two pieces apart from each other. So this unscrews and then you pull it apart. And once it's loose enough, you can take these two pieces out. So you're going to lay your fabric on top of the inside piece and then put the outside piece on top of your fabric until it snaps on. And then you're going to tighten the hoop with the screw again. And now your fabric is taut inside of the hoop. The next thing we're going to do is thread our needle. But before that, we're going to take our embroidery thread and untangle it. And then we're going to split the thread because we only need, we want to have a smaller thickness of thread so that we can see our stitching better. So I think there's about maybe 6 or 7 threads inside the bigger thread, and you're going to split just a couple, 2 or 3, out of the thread. It takes a little bit of finagling so that you don't make a knot. All right, now that you have your thread ready to go, you're going to take an embroidery needle. I like to use ones that are a bit shorter and with a thinner needle eye, but you can use any one you want. And then I'm going to take a needle threader put the small hoop through the eye, lay the thread on top, and then pull the needle threader through and tie a knot at the end. Now you're ready to start embroidering. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a French knot. The first thing you do is you start from the back to the front. So pull the needle through all the way, and then you're going to twist the thread around the end of the needle twice and then put it back through really close to where it came out. You're going to pull tightly, not too tight that the needle can't go through, and slowly pull through. Once the loop is close, let go. And now you have a French knot. I'm going to do that once more. Okay. The next stitch I'm going to show you is the chain stitch. Pull the needle through from the bottom, and then you're going to go back in really close to where you started. And come up just a little bit further. Loop your thread under the front of the needle and then pull through. And do that one more time. You're going to do the next chain. You're going to stick your needle through the hoop you just made. And then come back up a little bit further down. Loop the thread under the needle, the front of the needle, and pull through. And then you got a start of a chain stitch. Okay, so now you can practice these stitches and more. You can practice on one piece of fabric. This is what I did, and then I labeled some of them so that I could remember which ones they were. Once you feel comfortable with the stitches that you've done and practiced, you can start making your own embroidered picture. You can use a project from the book that's in the kit, or you can draw your own using the chalk pencil. I used an example from the book to make my own patch for my backpack, and I love it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in Ignite soon.